Hello everyone, I'm Varsha and welcome to Cellcraft Global Solutions. We are hiring for our top MNC client. The position which is open is THINWORX Developer. It is open for 3 to 8 years of experience and job location is Pan India. The detailed job description will be mentioned in the description box below. Share your CV on flatjobs@cellcraft.net and apply on the link which is given in the description box below. Like, share, subscribe, and we will meet in our next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.